How to add a wishlist feature in WooCommerce. First, go to Plugins and add the YTH Wishlist plugin. On the plugin general setting, enable Ajax loading and save changes. Visit a product page. The wishlist feature has been added. How about on the shop page? Let's take a look at that. First, let's fix the wishlist page. Change the page layout template of the wishlist page. Now, let's add the wishlist feature on the archive pages. Go to the Plugin Wishlist Options tab. On the loop setting, enable the Add to Wishlist in the loop. First, let's try the After Add to Cart option. Save changes. As you can see, the button has been added below each item. I want to add the wishlist to the menu, but first, let's try adding the button on top of the image. Now our product items have a heart icon, which is our Add to Wishlist button. Finally, let's add it to the navigation menu. How to create custom add to cart URLs in WooCommerce. Also, I will show you how to redirect to the cart or checkout page when the Add to Cart button is clicked. I'm using Elementor Page Builder to change the link of a button. You can use any page builder or custom HTML anchor tag in implementing this custom Add to Cart URLs. To create custom Add to Cart URL is to add a URL parameter called Add to Cart after the website URL with the value of a product ID. First, add your website URL or a / then add a question mark, the parameter then the product ID value. The product ID can be found in the Products tab. Update the page. After clicking the button, let's check the cart page. The product has been added to the cart, so that would mean that the URL is working. Now let's try to redirect it to the cart page after clicking the button. For this method to work, we need to add a cart slug in front of the parameter. Update the page. Next, how about custom quantities? First, let's remove all the items in our cart. Then on the link field, let's redirect it to the cart page, the same product ID, and add quantity parameter with the value. Add an ampersand in front of it. For this example, I added 5. Now, when we click the button, it redirects to the cart page with a quantity of 5 items that we set. How about we redirect to the checkout page? The same method as the cart. For this one I will just replace it with the checkout slug. Some of you might have a different cart or checkout URL, so be sure to change that accordingly. How to display WooCommerce products on custom pages easily. I'm using Elementor Page Builder, but you can do this on any other page builder or content editor. To display the product, we need to add the WooCommerce products shortcode. Here in Elementor, I grab the shortcode element. This is where we want to add it. For other page builders, you can look for code element or text block element. On the field, add open and close brackets. Add the products text. As you can see, all the products are displayed. Now, I'm going to limit the product count to 6. I will also adjust the number of columns. Next, let's filter the product's shortcode so it will only display a certain category. For this example, I'm adding gold. The list of product categories can be found on the Admin Dashboard Products tab. We can order them by popularity, and also display only the items on sale. Suppose you have multiple products, you can add pagination by adding a paginate attribute with the value of true. How to schedule WooCommerce product sale price. Go to the Product tab. Select and open the Product Edit screen. Scroll down to the product data. Set a sale price and hit the schedule. Set the start date and end date of sale. Update product. How to fix the content area was not found problem in Elementor. Let's look at 2 different methods. For the first one, go to Settings, then Permalinks. Without changing anything, hit Save Changes. Now we have flush WordPress rewrite rules or permalinks that might be causing the issue. If it is not working, let's try this different method. Open your WooCommerce pages. On the Page Edit screen, change the page template to Elementor full width and update the page. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more.